before buying Orico Enclosure, which I showed you in the previous video, I was using this 2.5 Astrum HDD Enclosure EN250. It can take it's a USB 2.0, so the speed was very slow. That's why I have to move to Orico. But this also I bought from Fordsburg in Johannesburg for around 150 or so, and the price difference is only 39. So let's see what the box contains. Astrum is a brand here, and it's metallic, polished metallic kind of hard disk. It also has that kind of box, and it comes with a padded soft foam in the hard disk. But when I was using this hard disk, the hard disk was always moving because of the gap between this socket and that socket, so that's why I didn't like it. And then it has this old type of cable, which is which doesn't give you the full it was very slow. The data transfer rate was very slow. So that's how I moved from Astrum to Orico. So that's it from Orico. And then I think if you want to buy this one, you can easily get it from Fordsburg or various other shops around the town, but it's a very cheap one. And I think I'll keep it for any other hard disk I get to review or something, to just check it at a downgraded speed or something. So that's all. Thank you guys.